Okay, in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Averageifs. Last tutorial, I taught you how to use Averageif. As you know, Averageif, it only takes or calculates the average with only one condition or with only specific criteria or condition. But Averageifs calculate the average by considering multiple criteria or multiple conditions. So Averageifs returns the average of all cells that meet multiple criteria. For example, we have the column for the region, we have the column for the crops, we have the column for the cells in each crop for each region. So I want to calculate or to take the average of this column, which correlate with the average in column A, in which the cells is less than 1000 or greater than 1000, and so on. By do so, start with equal sign. Our formula is this one, so you can copy it and enter in your worksheet. Averageifs, then you come to this one, comma, you go to this range, comma, I want to take the average of these values, and in this column I want to take the average of only this one, only Songwe, the average of only Songwe, comma, also in Songwe I want to take the average of these values, which is less than 100, which is less than 1000. So this formula means that we have two criteria or two conditions. So in this range, I will select only specific region, either Songwe, Singida, Mbeya. So I will select the first Songwe. Then in Songwe, in this column, I will select only cells which is less than 1000. Then I will take average. So I will select only Songwe region. Also in cells column, I will select only data which is less than 1000. Then I will calculate, or I will take average. So that is how it works. So I will select only specific region, then I will select only values which is less than 1000. So I will take the average. So this is how Averageif function, ifs function works. After this one, you can, if you want to drag to other cells, you have to close by the dollar sign, close all the range by dollar sign. Okay. If you see this one, it means there is no data, there is no Songwe region which has sales less than 1,000. There is no Songwe region which has less than 1,000. You can check, for example, Songwe, sales in Songwe, the first one, 1,800. Also here Songwe, this one, also Songwe, this. So there is no Songwe region which has sales less than 1,000. So when we change it, let's say put greater than 1,000. There is the main Songwe which is greater than 1,000. The average will come up. Also, there is no Songwe which has greater than 3,000. Let's say Singida Songwe plan. Also Plani, let's say write plan here. Plani, and let me write so this will come up, because now in plan region I have sales which is greater than 5,000. So this is how it works. Also let me go to Songwe. Songwe greater than this one, there's no, so I can select this and write 40. Also this will come up, because now I have Songwe region which has sales greater than 3,000. Okay, you can copy this formula in your worksheet, then edit so as to fit your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.